Are you tired of sending emails that bounce? Frustrated with wasted time and resources? Introducing RocketReach Verify, your ultimate solution for email verification. Now available in beta, it's purpose-built for speed, scale, and precision in your CRM. With RocketReach Verify, enjoy cleaner lists and higher deliverability. Our precision detection filters personal from business domains, ensuring real connections. We're proud to power over 180 email checks monthly. This means faster, reliable results for single emails or massive lists. RocketReach Verify cuts bounce rates and protects your sender reputation. Your emails will reach genuine inboxes, driving better results for your campaigns. Trust the tool used by 26 million users, including 95% of the S&P 500. With SMTP checks and proprietary verification methods, we analyze formats, domains, and disposable emails. Email lists decay monthly, so we recommend re-verifying every 1 to 2 months. Stay ahead and keep your contacts up to date. Join our early access program today and try RocketReach Verify for free. Not a user yet? Sign up now. Visit our help center for tips and get started. Don't let bad emails hold you back. Verify today, and watch your engagement soar.